As a carryover model, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette ought to retain the same outside style as the existing sports car that's on sale. The present Corvette includes an aggressive style with an angular front end, sharp front lights, vast air consumptions, as well as popular body lines on the hood. Along the side, the Corvette includes enormous vents simply behind the doors to cool the engine and also vast fenders. The Corvette's back side has square exhaust outlets and also extended tail lights. The Z06 has an also angrier style with a huge front splitter, larger wheels, a substantial back spoiler, as well as quad exhaust electrical outlets that lead from the facility of the rear bumper. The interior decoration of the existing Corvette has an upscale, advanced look. The two seats are separated by a lengthy divider that extends out of the control panel as well as homes most of the automobile's controls. The main touchscreen is angled heavily towards the driver, while the button for the transmission rests directly under the screen. As a strict two-seater, the Corvette doesn't have the largest cabin, but the inside is loaded with high-end products, especially with the 3LT trim. Like Corvettes of the past, the coupe has detachable roofing system panels. The 2024 Corvette's interior decoration must go unmodified. On the technology front, the present Corvette comes well appointed for a sports car. The base trim features an 8-inch touchscreen, cordless Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, Bluetooth, 10 audio speakers, 2 USB ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, and an HD radio. Readily available features include navigation, a cordless charging pad, a dashcam, as well as 14 audio speakers. These tech features must remain to be provided on the 2024 Corvette. With the intro of the Z06, the Corvette now has 3 degrees of power. The common engine in the sports car is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that makes 490 horsepower. With the performance exhaust system, power jumps to 495 horsepower. The Z06 includes a 5.5-liter V8 engine that produces 670 horsepower. All Corvettes include rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. We do not anticipate to see any kind of adjustments for the 2024 design year. Chevrolet doesn't offer a great deal of advanced safety and security attributes as typical on the existing Corvette. Points need to remain the exact same on the safety and security front for 2024. The Corvette features rear car parking sensors, a rear view cam, as well as a teen driver system. Offered safety features consist of a forward-facing video camera, a rear electronic camera mirror, a head-up display, rear cross-traffic alert, and also blind spot monitoring.